Welcome to Build Tech, your home for incredible machinery, insane construction work, and much more. If you are looking to learn the latest and greatest on this topic, make sure to stay with us until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Each like helps us create videos just like this one. Let's dive into it. The Hitachi Zaxis 670LC excavator is a marvelous piece of equipment. This engineering marvel is among the heavyweights of the construction industry, typically used for large-scale excavation projects. It is powered by an Isuzu AH6WG 1XYSA01 engine, boasting around 463 horsepower. Yes, you heard it right. It's an absolute beast. Its operational weight is around 67 tons, living up to the 670R in its name. It's precisely this muscle that makes it an invaluable asset in challenging environments where robust and reliable equipment is paramount. Equipped with a backhoe bucket capacity of around 3.9 cubic meters, this machine can move large volumes of material in a single pass, one of the many reasons professionals in the industry covet it. But it's not just about brute strength. The model is designed for precision and efficiency. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth and responsive operation, while fuel-efficient technologies and easy maintenance features add to the long-term cost-effectiveness. This is a high-performing giant that truly stands out in the world of construction. In the vibrant panorama of construction equipment, Caterpillar and Komatsu wheel loaders truly stand out as paragons of productivity, particularly in quarry operations. These powerful machines, with their bulging buckets and hefty horsepower, are built to handle the rigors of mining and quarry work effortlessly. These machines are engineered to move massive volumes of rocks, sand, gravel, or any quarry material, enabling operations to be carried out swiftly and efficiently. It's an awe-inspiring sight to see these mechanical behemoths in action. However, these impressive machines are not just about raw power and capacity. Caterpillar and Komatsu have made significant strides in integrating state-of-the-art technology to improve operator comfort and machine efficiency. Features like joystick steering, spacious cabs with advanced ergonomics, and high-tech display systems are standard in many of their models. Additionally, cutting-edge fuel efficiency technologies and advanced telematics systems help operators monitor machine health and performance in real time. Undoubtedly, these machines do not just work hard, they work smart, taking the concept of productive quarry operations to a whole new level. It's time now to turn our focus to the Komatsu PC 4000, the epitome of strength and efficiency in the world of hydraulic excavators. With an operating weight of approximately 400 tons, this incredible machine is designed to handle a wide range of mining tasks with unprecedented power. Engineered with a Komatsu SDA 16V160E2 engine, it generates an impressive 1875 horsepower. This beast is typically equipped with a backhoe or shovel attachment with a bucket capacity of 22 cubic meters, perfect for moving vast quantities of material in a single cycle. The PC 4000 features an electric drive with an option for diesel drive, facilitating a more energy-efficient operation. Additionally, its advanced ComTrax Plus telematics system allows for remote tracking of service meter readings, operation maps, and fuel levels, among other critical aspects. With all of these amazing features, it's undeniable. The Komatsu PC4000 is not only an enormous powerhouse, it also takes excavation to a whole new level. The gigantic Caterpillar 992G is a powerhouse in the heavy-duty construction sector, designed to move massive amounts of material in record time. Sporting a robust CAT 3508B diesel engine, this marvel of machinery effortlessly delivers up to 690 horsepower. That's enough to move mountains almost literally. It typically features a hefty bucket capacity ranging from 12.2 to 15 cubic yards, allowing it to lift loads up to an impressive 21.5 tons. And it's equipped with an enhanced machine operator control (EMOC) system that provides superior control, safety, and convenience to the operator, ensuring smooth and efficient operations. This magnificent machine is built not just for brute strength, but also for intelligent operation. The Caterpillar 992G is a true testament to Caterpillar's commitment to integrating power, innovation, and safety. The more you delve into the details, the more you can't help but admire this titan of the construction world. Here we have the Terex 424 SR impact crusher and the Liebherr 574 wheel loader. The Terex 424 SR impact crusher is a rugged and reliable machine designed for high efficiency and excellent reduction of medium hard and abrasive materials. Boasting a throughput potential of up to 320 tons per hour, this crusher is indeed a force to be reckoned with. Then we have the Liebherr 574 wheel loader, a multi-purpose, highly efficient machine engineered for heavy-duty lifting, loading, and transportation tasks. The Terex 424 SR impact crusher, powered by a Caterpillar C9 engine with 224 kilowatts, features a 4-bar impactor rotor with a 1,100 mm width. It also utilizes a rapid setup time and a unique crushing speed variation on the feeder, providing optimal performance. Meanwhile, the Liebherr 574 wheel loader, built with Liebherr's own D936 engine, offers a bucket capacity of up to 4.5 cubic meters and an operating weight of 23.5 tons, making it an incredibly versatile tool capable of tackling a variety of tasks with impressive power and agility. Amazing! Here are two more incredible models, the Caterpillar 992C and the Komatsu WA800. These two heavy-duty wheel loaders are true giants in their field. The Caterpillar 992C, boasting a net power of 690 GP, is an absolute beast of a machine designed for optimal performance in the harshest conditions. The Komatsu WA800 is no less of a powerhouse with its robust engine offering 1,163 GP and is revered for its exceptional capacity and versatility. The Caterpillar 992C is equipped with a direct drive power shift transmission that allows for smooth and quick gear changes, enhancing the machine's overall performance. It has a bucket capacity of up to 15 cubic yards, enabling it to handle vast amounts of material in a single scoop. The Komatsu WA800 holds its own with its advanced variable traction control system and auto kickdown, which aid in minimizing tire slippage and ensure efficient operation. With a mammoth bucket capacity of up to 18.2 cubic yards, this machine is the definition of productivity. The Liebherr 984 excavator. This impressive machine is truly a wonder of engineering, built for large-scale excavation and mining tasks. Powered by a Liebherr 512 diesel engine, it's capable of delivering up to 608 horsepower. With an operating weight of approximately 120 tons and a backhoe bucket capacity of 7 cubic meters, it's easy to see why this machine has become a trusted partner for heavy-duty operations all over the world. Stepping into the technical domain, the 984 brings together several advanced features that enable it to deliver efficient and high-quality performance. Its fuel-efficient engine and advanced hydraulic system ensure that operations are not just powerful, but also cost-effective. The machine also has numerous safety features, including robust structures, large access points, and handrails for safe maintenance. So not only does the 984 deliver outstanding performance, but it also offers a safe and comfortable working environment. Get ready for an exciting exploration of the mighty Caterpillar 992G wheel loader, especially as it takes on the task of loading coal. This machine, with its huge lifting and carrying capabilities, is often seen on coal mine sites, where it is celebrated for its efficiency and productivity. Operating at a net power of 690 horsepower and boasting a bucket capacity of up to 15 cubic yards, this beast can move massive amounts of coal in a single scoop. But what really sets this machine apart is its blend of power and sophistication. The 992G features Caterpillar's innovative Advanced Productivity Electronic Control Strategy transmission controls, which deliver smooth shifts, fast acceleration, and high productivity. Plus, Caterpillar's proprietary impact body, designed specifically for coal applications, optimizes its coal loading capability. Additionally, the 992G is equipped with Caterpillar's VIMs, which provides operators and technicians with critical machine health and payload data to keep the loader at peak performance. This is truly a magnificent sight to behold. The Cat D8T bulldozer and the Caterpillar 365C hydraulic excavator are two more machines worth mentioning. The Cat D8T, a true titan in the field of earth moving, brings to the table unparalleled power and reliability with its 354 horsepower engine. Perfect for tasks like grading, ripping, or pushing, it's no wonder this bulldozer is a staple at construction sites worldwide. The Caterpillar 365C, a hydraulic excavator par excellence, packs a punch with its 365 horsepower engine and bucket capacity of up to 3.2 cubic meters. Whether it's digging, trenching, or loading, this machine is up for the task. Now let's delve into some fascinating facts that set these machines apart. The Cat D8T features differential steering, maintaining power to both tracks while turning, offering excellent maneuverability even under load. The Caterpillar 365C excels with its efficient hydraulic system, delivering superior digging force and enabling precise control. With a powerful 513 horsepower engine and a maximum operating weight of around 88 tons, the mighty Caterpillar 385C excavator commands attention on any job site. Its large bucket capacity, reaching up to 5.9 cubic meters, ensures the machine's ability to tackle big digging and material handling tasks with ease. The excavator is also equipped with a Caterpillar C18 engine, with ACERT technology that balances power, fuel efficiency, and emissions compliance. Additionally, it boasts a robust undercarriage designed for stability and durability, even in the toughest working conditions. It's also fitted with Caterpillar's unique Cat Connect technology, which offers advanced data analysis, predictive maintenance, and more to boost job site efficiency. So, when you see the Caterpillar 385C in action, remember, it's not just an impressive display of power, but also a fine example of how Caterpillar integrates advanced technology into heavy machinery. Now we have none other than the Caterpillar 6015B excavator. With its commanding presence, this impressive machine is built to handle large-scale digging and loading operations. The 6015B runs on a robust Caterpillar C27 engine, delivering a whopping 813 horsepower. It's not just the power that impresses, but also its impressive operating weight of around 140 tons and bucket capacity up to 8.1 cubic meters, making it a true marvel on the job site. Diving into the unique attributes of the 6015B, it's interesting to note the ingenious blend of advanced technology and innovative design. This machine features an efficient hydraulic system that enables precise control and powerful digging force. Additionally, it comes equipped with the CAT payload system, which provides on-the-go weighing to assist operators in achieving precise load targets, optimizing productivity and efficiency. When the Caterpillar 6015B springs to life, it's a breathtaking display of engineering prowess. The Komatsu Bue 800 wheel loader is a genuine leviathan in the realm of heavy-duty equipment. Equipped with an engine that can crank out an impressive 1,163 horsepower, this behemoth is specifically designed for quarry, mining, and loading applications. With its whopping 18.2 cubic meter bucket capacity, this machine can move massive amounts of material in a single pass. The WA 800 stands out with its advanced joystick steering system and electronic pilot control, which ensure quick, precise handling, even under the toughest conditions. Moreover, the machine incorporates Komatsu's groundbreaking ComVision, a 6-camera system providing a bird's-eye view of the immediate surroundings, thereby enhancing safety and productivity. Not to mention the inclusion of Komatsu's exclusive K-atomics, guaranteeing smooth shifting for comfortable operation and reduced material spillage. Komatsu also prioritizes safety with features such as a secondary engine stop switch, rear-view monitoring system, and excellent maintenance access, to name a few. This is a great machine that really delivers. Here we have two formidable machines. The Liebherr 934, equipped with a concrete pulverizer, and the reliable CAT 325B. The Liebherr 934, with its powerful engine churning out 204 horsepower, coupled with a concrete pulverizer attachment, is a force to be reckoned with on demolition sites. The Caterpillar 325B, boasting 178 horsepower, is known for its robust performance in excavation and construction operations. Both machines exemplify engineering excellence and the extraordinary capabilities of modern construction equipment. The Liebherr 934 with its concrete pulverizer is efficient and powerful, capable of pulverizing thick concrete into rubble in a matter of minutes. On the flip side, the CAT 325B's advanced hydraulic system ensures powerful digging and lifting capabilities. It's equipped with Caterpillar's unique electronic control module, which helps optimize performance by precisely synchronizing speed, power, and fuel efficiency. Whether it's the Liebherr 934 making short work of a concrete structure, or the CAT 325B effortlessly maneuvering in a busy construction site, these heavy machines are two of the hardest workers around. The Terex RH170 is a true giant among hydraulic excavators. This impressive powerhouse, equipped with a Cummins engine that delivers a staggering 1050 horsepower, is a staple in large-scale mining and quarrying operations. Its heft, with an operating weight of approximately 370 tons and a bucket capacity that can go up to 14 cubic meters, underlines its capacity for substantial material-moving tasks. The RH170 stands out with its efficient hydraulic system, which guarantees rapid cycle times and high productivity. The machine's advanced control system allows for precise and easy operation, even in the most challenging conditions. But that's not all. The RH170 also prides itself on its reliable undercarriage and robust structure, designed for exceptional durability and longevity, which translate into lower operating costs in the long run. To enhance safety, features like non-slip surfaces, strategically placed handrails, and easy-to-access service points are included, making this machine a thoughtful blend of design, comfort, and safety. The 245B, driven by an engine delivering 325 horsepower, showcases the unparalleled versatility of the Caterpillar brand. The addition of the hydraulic hammer transforms the 245B into a demolition powerhouse, capable of breaking through concrete, rock, and other hard materials with astonishing ease and efficiency. The magic lies in the details. The hydraulic hammer, attached to the Caterpillar 245B, employs the power and reliability of hydraulics to deliver high-impact blows to the material at hand. The impact rate and energy of the hydraulic hammer can be adjusted to match the hardness and size of the material, ensuring optimal performance. The Caterpillar 245B has made a lasting impact in the realm of heavy-duty machinery. Despite being an older model, many of these machines are still in use today, a testament to their durability and reliability. The 245B is a clear example of Caterpillar's commitment to producing high-quality, durable, and efficient machinery. Now let's look at the exceptional Caterpillar 385C excavator. Powered by the robust CAT C18 engine, delivering 513 horsepower, this behemoth of an excavator is a true game-changer on any construction site. It's designed to take on hefty tasks with a maximum operating weight of approximately 88 tons and a bucket capacity that reaches up to 5.9 cubic meters. Caterpillar's advanced hydraulic system ensures the 385C is highly responsive and precise, making it capable of handling the toughest digging and lifting jobs. Furthermore, the machine includes an automatic engine speed control to reduce fuel consumption and noise. Another of the key features of the Caterpillar 385C is its powerful engine. The model comes with a Caterpillar C18 engine, delivering a massive 513 horsepower. This powerhouse, in combination with the advanced hydraulic system, gives the 385C its ability to perform heavy digging and lifting operations with remarkable efficiency. What a beast! And there you have it, folks. These incredible machines that are revolutionizing the world of construction. Each of these machines plays a vital role in helping builders become more efficient, sustainable, and profitable. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment telling us which machine was your favorite. Until next time, happy digging.